Have you ever wondered if our universe is the only one out there? Could there be other universes, maybe even infinite ones? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating and mind-boggling theories in modern cosmology, the multiverse theory. Welcome to Fact or Theory, the channel where we explore the deepest mysteries of science and philosophy. If you're fascinated by the unknown, hit that like button and subscribe. In this video, we're exploring the mind-bending idea that our universe might be just one of many in a vast multiverse. So, what exactly is the multiverse, and what does it mean for our understanding of reality? Let's find out. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe might not be the only universe that exists. Instead, it proposes that there could be many, perhaps an infinite number, of universes coexisting. Imagine each universe as a bubble in a giant cosmic foam, floating independently in an enormous cosmic space. But why do scientists think this is possible? The concept of multiple universes arises from various areas of physics, particularly from theories in cosmology, quantum mechanics, and string theory. Let's break down how this idea emerged. To understand the origins, we need to go back to the 20th century. In the 1920s, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity radically changed our view of space and time. According to relativity, space is not static, it's flexible and can bend and stretch. This discovery led to further investigations into the nature of the universe, eventually sparking ideas that we might not live in a singular, isolated universe. Then, in the 1980s, Alan Guth introduced the theory of inflation. Inflation suggests that the universe underwent an incredible expansion just moments after the Big Bang. But here's the twist. As space expanded, it didn't just grow into the same universe we see today. It could have generated other, pocket, universes along the way. This is where the idea of a multiverse starts to take shape. Now, let's talk about the different types of multiverses. Yes, there are several ideas on how a multiverse might exist. Some of the most prominent theories include the Level 1 multiverse, the idea that space is infinite, and beyond our observable universe, there are regions that are just like ours but with different configurations of matter. Essentially, if the universe is infinite, the same physical laws might give rise to duplicate universes with similar or slightly different properties. The Level 2 multiverse, this idea comes from inflationary theory. It proposes that different regions of space can have different physical laws and constants. Essentially, our universe might just be one bubble in a vast, cosmic sea, where each bubble has its own distinct set of rules. The Level 3 multiverse, many worlds interpretation, this one is mind-boggling. It's based on quantum mechanics. According to the many worlds interpretation, every time a quantum event happens, like an atom decaying or a photon being observed, the universe splits into multiple realities. So, every possible outcome happens, but in different universes. This theory suggests that for every choice you make, or every event that could go one way or another, a new universe is born where the opposite happens. Think about it. There could be a universe where you made a different choice today, or where dinosaurs never went extinct. And lastly, the Level 4 multiverse, this is the most extreme. Proposed by physicist Max Tegmark, it suggests that all possible mathematical structures exist as separate universes. Essentially, any universe that can be mathematically formulated is real. This could include universes where the laws of physics are completely different from ours, leading to unimaginable forms of existence. So, is there any evidence for the multiverse? Well, that's where things get tricky. The truth is, the multiverse theory is largely speculative. We don't have direct evidence of other universes, and we may never be able to observe them. However, some scientists argue that there are indirect signs that could support the idea. For example, certain anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, might suggest that our universe collided with other universes in the past. There's also the idea that the fine-tuning of the constants in our universe, which allow life to exist, could be explained by a multiverse, where many universes with different constants exist, and we just happen to live in the one that's capable of supporting life. The multiverse theory isn't just a scientific idea, it also has deep philosophical implications. If multiple universes exist, what does that mean for free will? If there are infinite versions of ourselves, does it mean our choices are meaningless? Or does it make each decision we make in our universe even more important, knowing that it's shaping this specific reality? And what about purpose? If there are infinite universes, does that mean everything that can happen will eventually happen, rendering our lives just one of countless versions of events? Or could the multiverse suggest something even deeper, an interconnectedness across universes, where our actions ripple through many realities? The idea of multiple universes challenges everything we think we know about reality. It raises questions about our place in the cosmos, the nature of existence, and the limits of human understanding. While we don't yet have the technology to peer into other universes, the multiverse theory remains one of the most fascinating and mind-expanding ideas in science. So, do you think the multiverse exists? Or is it just a fascinating idea that pushes the boundaries of science? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration of the cosmos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Fact or Theory for more deep dives into the wonders of science and philosophy.